What if one simple habit could help calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve your sleep after 60 without any medication? Many seniors struggle with stress, overthinking, anxiety, or poor sleep quality. You go to bed tired, but your mind doesn't stop. You wake up during the night, or you feel restless even after a full night in bed. And over time, this affects your energy, mood, memory, and overall health. But here's something powerful most people don't realize. Your mind can be trained to relax. And one of the simplest ways to do that is meditation. Meditation is not about stopping your thoughts completely. It's about learning how to slow them down. And the best part? You don't need experience, flexibility, or special equipment. Even just a few minutes a day can make a real difference. In today's video, we'll talk about how meditation helps seniors reduce stress and sleep better, simple techniques you can start at home, and how to build a calm daily routine that supports emotional and physical health after 60. And make sure you stay until the end, because one of the simplest breathing techniques we'll share may help you fall asleep faster than you expect. Why meditation matters more after 60. As we age, life naturally becomes more emotionally complex. Health concerns may increase, sleep patterns change, loss of loved ones can create emotional stress, and retirement can sometimes lead to overthinking or feeling less mentally engaged. All of this can increase stress levels in the body. And chronic stress is not just emotional. It affects physical health too. It can impact blood pressure, heart health, digestion, immunity, and even memory. That's why calming the mind becomes so important after 60. Meditation helps activate the body's relaxation response. It slows the heart rate, reduces stress hormones, and helps the nervous system shift from alert mode to calm mode. In simple words, meditation teaches your body how to relax again. And that ability becomes more valuable with age. Because a calm mind often leads to a healthier body and better sleep. How meditation helps with sleep? One of the most common problems after 60 is poor sleep. Many seniors struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up too early. And often, the main reason is an overactive mind, thinking about the past, worrying about the future, or replaying daily events in the mind. Meditation helps reduce this mental activity. It trains the brain to focus on the present moment instead of endless thoughts. And when the mind becomes calmer, the body naturally becomes more relaxed. This makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep longer. Meditation also helps reduce anxiety, which is one of the biggest causes of sleep disturbance in older adults. And better sleep leads to better energy, mood, memory, and overall health. So in many ways, meditation doesn't just help you sleep, it improves your entire quality of life. Simple meditation technique, breath focus. Let's start with one of the easiest meditation techniques, breath awareness. This is perfect for beginners. Sit comfortably in a chair or lie down in bed. Close your eyes gently. Now, simply focus on your breathing. Notice the air going in and out. Don't try to control it, just observe it. If your mind starts to wander, and it will, gently bring your attention back to your breath. That's it. This simple practice helps calm the nervous system and brings attention away from stress or overthinking. At first, your mind may feel busy. That's completely normal. Meditation is not about emptying the mind. It's about training it to return to calmness again and again. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference over time. Simple meditation technique number 3, counted breathing for sleep. Now let's talk about one of the most effective sleep techniques, counted breathing. This is simple, but very powerful. Lie down in bed comfortably. Inhale slowly through your nose. Then exhale gently through your mouth. Now start counting. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Continue this pattern up to 10, then start again. If your mind gets distracted, simply return to counting. This technique gives your mind a simple task, which helps reduce overthinking. And because it slows down your breathing, it signals your body that it's time to rest. Many people find they fall asleep naturally while doing this. It's simple, gentle, and effective. Common mistake people make with meditation. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is expecting immediate results. Meditation is not a quick fix. It's a practice. Some days your mind will feel calm. Other days it will feel busy. That's normal. The key is consistency, not perfection. Even a few minutes daily is better than long sessions once in a while. Another mistake is thinking meditation means clearing your mind completely. That's not realistic. The goal is awareness, not emptiness. You simply notice thoughts without getting stuck in them. Over time, this builds emotional control and mental stability, and that's what leads to real stress reduction. The link between meditation, stress, and health. Chronic stress affects the entire body. It can increase blood pressure, disturb sleep, weaken immunity, and affect memory and focus. And after 60, the body becomes more sensitive to long-term stress. That's why managing stress becomes essential for healthy aging. Meditation helps interrupt the stress cycle. It gives the mind space to slow down. And when stress decreases, the body has more energy for healing, recovery, and balance. Many seniors also report improved mood and emotional stability after regular meditation practice. Because when the mind becomes calmer, daily life feels more manageable. Even small challenges feel less overwhelming. And that emotional balance is just as important as physical health. Meditation is not complicated. It doesn't require special skills, and it doesn't require perfect focus. It simply requires a few minutes of stillness each day. And over time, those few minutes can help you feel calmer, sleep better, and handle stress more easily. After 60, protecting your mental and emotional health becomes just as important as physical health, and meditation is one of the simplest tools to support both. Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. Small daily habits can lead to meaningful long-term changes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content about healthy aging, stress management, sleep improvement, and brain health after 60. And in the comments below, tell us, have you ever tried meditation before, or would you like to start? Thanks for watching, stay calm, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.